What's up, everybody? It's your homegirl, Faithy-Faith, and you are tuned into another episode of Faithy-Faith's Fun with Foods, the Snack Crate Edition. Yes, this box right here is from a mystery country from around the world, and it's filled with all of the delicious snacks, and I am very excited to see what's inside and what country we got this time. All right. And the first one was from Japan. So let's see about this one. Here we go. You ready? Egypt! Wow! Cool! All right, let's see what we have here. Wow, look at that. It comes with a whole blurb about Egypt and welcome, fun facts, scam and jams. And look, this is the description of everything that's in this box. All right, so the first one, Kono cheese cones. Okay, looks like some kind of cheesy bugles. Okay, let's see what else we have. This is popcorn. Kono barbecue popcorn. Ooh, that sounds good. Burning barbecue, it says. And it looks like we have a bag of chips called Waves. And this looks like chili lemon chips. Okay, wow. Okay, look. We also have Babu. And this is a teddy bear cake with strawberry filling. Ooh, that looks good. Okay, let's see what else. Genjo Sour Bites. And this looks like Coca-Cola fizzy like gummy candy. Let's see, Bang Bites. Ooh, that looks good. Chocolate hazelnut inside of a wafer. Let's see, what else do we have? Fresca sticks. Rolled wafer filled with cocoa and hazelnut cream. Wow. Dolce looks like coffee cream hard candy. Wow, look at that. Lux dates. Wow, looks like dates cookies. Tipo soft biscuit. Looks like filled and coated with natural chocolate. Drew, which is this is a Swiss roll filled with milk cream and fig jam. Ooh, that sounds really good. Crispy chocolate candy bar. And Fresca Choco Bar. This is a white chocolate covered wafer with chocolate cream. And then we have Star Super Size. Another candy bar. And a bunch of these little candies called Paradise, which looks like fruit chewy candy. Wow. Oh, and then lastly we have Munch chocolate fingered fluffy crisp fingers and crispy chocolate Corona. Ooh, interesting. And supersized Star bar. Wow, so many things that they jam-packed in this box all about Egypt. And I'm so excited to try them. Which one do you think I should try first? Wow, this is actually a lot of snacks. Look at that. I think I'm going to try the burning barbecue popcorn. Ooh, that sounds good. It's called Kono. Ooh! Wow, look at that. Looks really good in there. Wow. This is really good. Ingredients: corn, vegetable oil, salt, hot barbecue flavor. That's all it is. Wow. Why we don't have barbecue popcorn in the U.S., I don't know. But this is amazing. So delicious. Okay. So for the next one, I want to try our Cones Fiery Cheese. Ooh, yeah, these do look like bugles. Look at that. They look almost like bugles, but a little bit fatter and smaller. Oh, this is also spicy. Looks like jalapeno cheddar. Wow, these are good. They're better than bugles. They have so much more flavor. Wow. Look at that. Wow. Wow. So good. What do you think, Doc?
Very good.
Whoa. Okay. And for the next one, Waves chips. Let's try this one. Ooh. This is another hot and spicy chili lemon flavor. Wow. This one is good too. Here. So far, everything that I've tried, delicious. Now, how about we try one of the cookies? I'm kind of excited about this. Swiss roll with milk cream and fig jam. Let's try this one. Ooh, look at that. Looks like you just bite it. Wow. I'm not very used to fig, but it's actually very good. It has like a white cream and fig in there as well. Try it. Oh, wow. That's good. Okay, I'm not going to try every single thing, but I will try a couple, maybe 2 more. Last 2. Okay, how about this supersized star? So it looks like it has chocolate on the outside and nuts and something on the inside. Whoa. The inside kind of tastes like a harder version of Three Musketeers, but with peanut. That's good. It's kind of hard, but it has a good flavor. Wow. And the last one I want to try for right now are the Genjo Fizzy Cola Sour Bites. These look like little Coca-Cola bottles, so I'm pretty excited about these. Look how cute those are. Now these are delicious. Wow. So far, I think my favorites have got to be the popcorn. These fiery cheese beagles and the chips. And guys, that's about it for the video, and I hope that you enjoyed this wonderful introduction of the great and delicious snacks that you can find in Egypt. Again, this is your homegirl Faithy-Faith with another episode of Faithy-Faith's Fun with Foods. I hope you enjoyed that one all about Egypt, and hope you have a great rest of the day, and Merry Christmas. Mwah! Bye!